What's up, car fans? Welcome back to Trendz TV, your go-to destination for the freshest automotive reviews, deep dives, and electrifying car content. Today, we're diving into a name you might remember from the past, but with a whole new twist. Meet the 2026 Nissan Micra EV. That's right, Nissan's iconic compact city car has gone fully electric, and it's making a bold comeback with futuristic styling, smart tech, and eco-conscious performance. Whether you're a city commuter or just love a practical yet fun-to-drive EV, the new Micra might just catch you off guard in the best way. So buckle up and let's take a detailed tour of what Nissan has cooked up for 2026. Exterior. At first glance, the 2026 Micra EV doesn't look anything like the Micras of the past. It's clear that Nissan is steering this small hatchback straight into the future. The front end immediately catches your attention with its aggressive yet clean aesthetic. A smooth, closed-off grille area common in EVs gives it that modern, aerodynamic look. The LED headlights are sharp and angular, with a distinctive boomerang signature lighting that stretches out to the sides, creating an expressive face. A thin LED strip connects the headlights, forming a sleek light bar that lights up with an animated sequence when you approach the car. It's a smart touch that makes the Micra EV feel more like a premium EV than an entry-level city car. Down low, the front bumper features a layered design with functional air curtains to aid airflow around the wheels, enhancing efficiency. There's a soft matte black trim piece across the lower lip, giving it a slightly sporty character without looking overly aggressive. The Nissan badge is illuminated, signaling its place in the electric lineup alongside models like the Ariya and Leaf. Overall, the front end is futuristic, but not too polarizing. There's just enough flair to make you take a second look. Moving along to the side profile, the Micra EV maintains its compact hatchback proportions but with a far more sculpted and dynamic appearance than any previous Micra. The roofline has a gentle slope toward the rear, helping it cheat the wind for better aerodynamics. The blacked-out A and C pillars give the roof a floating look, while the flash door handles add to the clean, seamless vibe. Saddle creases along the side panels create interesting reflections without adding clutter. The wheel arches are slightly flared, housing 17-inch aero-optimized wheels with a geometric, almost turbine-inspired design. These not only look cool but also help reduce drag. One detail that stands out is the contrast finish on certain trims. A black or silver lower accent that visually lowers the car and gives it a more planted stance. And because it's an EV, Nissan made sure to include a charge port that's cleverly integrated into the front fender, making it easily accessible whether you park nose in or parallel on the street. It's little thoughtful touches like this that show Nissan is serious about usability in an urban EV. Around the back, the Micra EV continues to impress with a design that's both youthful and polished. The taillights are wide and sharp, stretching from fender to fender and connected by a full-width light bar. It echoes the front's design theme and looks especially slick at night. The tailgate has a clean surface, with a subtle integrated spoiler and a hidden rear wiper tucked beneath it for a cleaner look. There's no exhaust tip, of course, but the rear diffuser area is still styled to look aerodynamic, with the gloss black insert and some texturing for visual interest. The Nissan emblem at the rear is backlit just like up front, and the Micra EV branding is embossed low on the hatch in a sleek, modern font. Interior. Hop inside the Micra EV, and you're met with a cabin that's surprisingly spacious and refined for such a small car. Nissan has gone all in on the minimalist electric vehicle interior trend, and it works well here. The dashboard is wide and flat, with the floating 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster on the left and a matching 12.3-inch infotainment screen on the right, all housed within a single curved glass panel that gives it a premium, unified look. The graphics are crisp, fast, and customizable, allowing you to change layouts, colors, and prioritize different types of info depending on your driving style. The center console is raised and flows into the dash, featuring a compact shift-by-wire selector, wireless charging pad, and dual cup holders. Storage is excellent, with a deep bin under the console and sizable door pockets. Materials are a big step up from Mica's of old. Soft touch panels, textured fabric inserts, and subtle LED ambient lighting and customizable colors make the cabin feel far more upscale than its price tag might suggest. Even the steering wheel has a futuristic vibe, with touch-sensitive controls and a squared-off shape reminiscent of higher-end EVs. Space-wise, the Micra EV seats 4 adults comfortably, with great headroom thanks to the upright shape and thin EV floor. The rear seats fold flat in a 60-40 split, and the cargo area offers around 300 liters of space with the seats up and more than enough for groceries or a couple of weekend bags. There's also a small frunk under the hood, great for storing charging cables or emergency kits. Nissan also includes their latest Pro Pilot Assist suite, so adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and parking assist are all standard or available depending on trim. Performance under the skin. The 2026 Micra EV rides on the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance's CMF-EV platform, the same architecture used in the Renault 5 EV. Powering the Micra EV is a single front-mounted electric motor producing around 122 horsepower and 181 pounds-to-feet of torque. That may not sound like much, but for a car this small and light, it's plenty punchy. It zips from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 8.5 seconds, and the instant torque delivery gives it that signature rev pep around town. It's snippy, agile, and perfect for darting through city traffic or squeezing into tight parking spaces. More importantly, the Micra EV is efficient. With the 40 kWh battery pack, it delivers a real-world range of approximately 200 miles on a single charge, ideal for urban commuters or as a second car. Fast charging capability is included too, with the ability to charge from 20% to 80% in about 30 minutes using a DC fast charger. At home, a level 2 charger will get you to full overnight in roughly 6-7 hours. And for those worried about cold weather, Nissan has integrated a heat pump system to help maintain range in chilly conditions. Driving dynamics are surprisingly refined. Thanks to the low center of gravity from the battery placement, the Micra EV handles corners with confidence, staying flat and composed. The steering is light but responsive, and the ride quality strikes a good balance between comfort and control. Nissan has even engineered in some artificial sound to give the car more presence and feedback at lower speeds. It's subtle, but it helps bridge the gaps between silent EV driving and the kind of feedback drivers expect. When it comes to pricing, Nissan has taken a very competitive approach. The base model of the 2026 Micra EV is expected to start at around $24,000 before incentives, which puts it in direct competition with cars like the Chevy Bolt EV, Mini Electric, and the upcoming Fiat 500e. Higher trims with extended tech packages, larger wheels, premium interior upgrades, and advanced driver assist features may push the price closer to $28,000, but that still keeps it accessible, especially when federal and state EV incentives are factored in. And don't forget, being an EV means lower running costs, fewer maintenance concerns, and possible perks like carpool lane access or reduced toll fees depending on where you live. So, what's the final verdict on the 2026 Nissan Micra EV? It's everything a modern city car should be: efficient, stylish, tech-packed, and affordable. Nissan has reimagined the Micra for a new generation of drivers who want practicality without giving up innovation. It may be compact, but it delivers big in all the right places. If you're looking for an entry-level EV that doesn't feel like a compromise, this little hatchback could be your next big move. That's it for today's review on Trendz TV. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Nissan Micra EV, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and tap the bell so you never miss a beat from the world of cars. Got questions or thoughts about the new Micra EV? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Keep driving smart, stay electrified, and as always, keep it locked to Trendz TV.